Hey, welcome guys back to Redline Refine. I'm actually headed out to the shop today. Hope you can hear me good. It's been a while. I know I got sick, not COVID, but that's not even the big thing. Like, to have a change of lifestyle, so I was trying to get my head wrapped around that. Plus, you know, when I just haven't really felt like recording. Like, if I don't feel like recording, I don't feel like it turns into a good video for you guys. So, hoping that can change from now on. You know, I can keep getting the videos up for you guys. But the big thing is I quit my job, my main job. I would love to say for you guys do YouTube full time, but you know that we're just not there yet. But it will happen because I like recording for you guys. Today I'm gonna change the oil on the speed. We're gonna work on the G, get that cleaned out, get the dash put in. We're gonna have a good old hey time with that. Nick's gonna be there. We got a customer car in the shop. We got the Civic that's gonna be sold tomorrow, so we got some stuff to take care of on that. But the big thing for you guys is gonna be able to still see a little more work done on the G. On my last excuse me, my last video when I was tearing down the 13B, I had said, you know, when I hit 100 subscribers, I'm gonna give a gauge away, an AEM gauge away. Well, I hit 100 subscribers, and so there's like 5 people entered in that. I'm gonna give, I know it's not really fair to those guys, but I didn't record since then. So this video, I'm gonna give it 1 week from the time it's posted, so you want to check that date. 1 week for if you already subscribed and commented on that one video, don't worry about it, you already entered. And I'm gonna give 1 week for anybody new that wants to be entered. Just to be fair, because I slacked on the video, you can enter. The same goes, same concept. If you're new here, welcome. We are a car channel. We do all kinds of stuff. They're not a huge focus. It's getting a little better on what we're focusing on, but anyways, just comment, subscribe, and within that 1 week time frame, whenever this video is posted, I'll have it in the description, and then I will do the drawing. So I gotta head out to Bristol. It's like a 40-minute drive. It's not a really entertaining drive, so I'm not really gonna show you the drive out there. Might do a little pull here. See you guys at the shop. Hey, I made it to the shop. We got the Civic out of the garage, shop, whatever you want to call it. Got my speed in there. We're gonna change the oil. I'm not gonna bore you with the oil change on the speed, because the main focus today damn it, the main focus on the speed, or the whatever this vlog video shit, is the G back here, because it's getting neglected all the way back in the corner. This customer car. Well, we got to get this shop cleaned up. I know, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this oil, get it swapped out, and then if Nick's here by then, if not, maybe we'll go through a little spin. Maybe I'll reorganize the shop a little bit so I can get to the freaking G. I have missed you guys. I have been thinking about, I need to do video, You guys have, like, probably wondering, where the heck did this guy go? He's like, say he's gonna post videos every Thursday, and then I didn't do that. So I think you kind of figured out that sometimes that just doesn't happen. But anyways, that'll change from now on with me not having that one job like I was talking about. I quit my main job to do a different job, blah, blah, blah. And that should free up plenty more time to record and keep you guys and everybody updated on the Redline Redefined shop and whatever the hell we're doing. Because every week is different. See you guys in a little bit. Peace.
Yo, what up? Look at this guy. Finally changing his oil.
Yeah, I'm a slacker.
I know, right?
Everything else took priority.
It happens though. Life happens. You guys want to see my G? It's lower now. Woo-wee. Now I just need to get alignment done. It's time to go fast now.
Needs a front mount. Can't go faster without a front mount.
Who's got a front mount for sale? Let us know.
When we get it all set up, I want to go down to Freak Tune and have them do it on the dyno.
Freak Tune? Look at that. Look at that. Unibody suspension travel.
And we're back. Nick's.
And we're back.
Again. Always back.
Back again.
Oh yeah. So, like I said, today was the G day. Get it cleaned out. Get the dash. This dash put in there. It's the, what year is that dash from? It's your year, isn't it?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah.
Like 05, 06.
05, yeah, whatever. It's newer and it won't look so much like that. But you got so much non-going.
What is this?
I don't know. Cover.
Trash.
Yeah. Take it easy today. We'll just clean out the G so it's not so messy. And then once the Civic's sold, we'll get a battery for it and start ohm testing a bunch of shit. I think the best way to do this, I think I'm gonna throw it into a time lapse, get you a view of the inside. We're gonna start getting all the bolts pulled out and sweep it out. Quick time lapse of the, get it all swept out. Already looks better. We can actually work in here without being disgusted by mice and shit. So now,
I forgot to suck that up.
oh man, fall on our face.
Shit. You need this?
No, I don't think so. I think that's the old security system. I don't know if they can see it or not, but.
Huh? Oh, wow.
Holy shit, if that would have broke the windshield, I would have like cried. I probably would have cried a little bit.
It's okay. We don't need it.
We don't need that part.
What's this? Oh, the sunroof.
Yeah, we need the sunroof stuff.
What the heck? How does this ran right here? Oh.
I don't remember how it ran. With them chewing on crap.
So do you want to pull the dash?
The dash is out.
No, the top. Wire?
We could. Shall we have a change of plans and go through the dash barn before I throw the dash in? Probably. I mean, I was just gonna set the dash in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I wasn't gonna try to bolt it down until we were officially ready. What do you think? What's your call? Second boss man.
Second boss man. We should probably go through the wiring.
Right. So what we need to do, pull all this crap out. It's probably better that we do that anyways. You guys would probably be like, and they're just gonna do things twice. And sometimes you gotta do it 3 times.
Yeah, what is this?
I don't remember what that went to. I'd have to look on the video, but I don't know if the video would show it.
Antenna?
Maybe. It's gotta go for the radio stuff. Like all this was the GPS, CD changer, BS that's in there. This is for the airbag, and that is something that is broken.
Well,
it's probably a light.
Oh shit! Wow, that didn't work out as planned.
Well, it's out.
Yeah. Well, I was just trying to rip this harness out of here because we don't need this.
Holy shit. Okay. we went a little further, or got a little more ambitious than I originally planned, but it's probably for the best, so we can sort out the whole dash harness, figure out what we don't need, what we do need, as we're continually trying to get the engine run better.
I'll tell you right now, I do not recommend stripping this car.
Probably could have left it alone and just went around and slid around, but what? That's not that fun. I want to build the whole car, you know. Why not? Those I stripped because I wanted to give you guys something, so I stripped the car out. So there you go. Now we're just gonna keep stripping it. The biggest thing though, if you ever have to take out your heater core to change it, good luck.
For sure.
Like, you're gonna have to, I don't know, you need a service manual or something, or just take it somewhere. It'd be well worth paying somebody to change it, but not me.
Nope.
We're just kind of, we're gonna go through the wiring a little bit more and do that because it's a mess. Other than that, this is the end of this video. We'll get the dash in later. Baby steps. Peace out.